Hi, in today's video, I'll show you how to enable Clipboard History on your Android phone. Clipboard History lets you save multiple copied items, making it easy to paste text, links, and other content without copying them again. Let's get started. First, open any app where you can type, such as Messages, Notes, or Google Docs. Next, tap on the text field to bring up your keyboard. If you're using Gboard, tap the clipboard icon on the toolbar above the keyboard. If you don't see it, tap the square or arrow icon to find it. Then, tap Turn on Clipboard or Enable Clipboard. Once enabled, anything you copy will be saved to your clipboard history for a limited time. To keep an important item from being removed, tap and hold it, then select Pin. Whenever you want to paste a previously copied item, simply open the clipboard and tap the item you want to insert. If you're using a different keyboard, such as Samsung Keyboard, the steps may vary, but you can usually find the clipboard feature in the keyboard toolbar or settings. That's all. You've successfully enabled Clipboard History on your Android phone. Happy watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more.